Hello dear student, I will share you the technique how you can speak English fluently within 30 days. My dear student, if you follow the exact formula till the 30 days, so you will be able to speak English after 30 days. During the 30 days, you can speak English, but if you are committed to yourself, first thing is that you need to you need to find out your purpose. Why are you learning English? So this is the first questions to you. Ask to yourself, why are you learning English? This is your purpose. And after some times, actually maximum students forget this thing, why are you learning English? Without learning English, you can't do job and business. If you want to get succeed in your life, you need to learn English language, because if you learn English language, you get the new opportunity. I also love my native language Hindi, but how you can speak? Maximum people have three problems: lack of confidence, lack of flow, and hesitation problem. This is the major problem while you speak English. First, you need to know where is the problem in English. Where is the problem? You need to find out. First, you need to know what is your level. If you are a beginner, you need to learn the simple structure of the sentences, how you can make the sentences, how you can ask the questions, how you can answer the questions. If you are a beginner, first learn the basic structure. After then, if you are a beginner, not a beginner level, if you are a intermediate level, suppose that you are not a beginner but you know some words and some grammar parts, also you have knowledge to make the sentences, but after some times you are stuck while you're speaking, you don't have any confidence, you need to focus on your confidence and your activities. And third stage is, if you able to understand English language, English phrases and the English video, English audio, but you can't speak any single words, so there is a, this is actually the major problem, maximum student facing this type of problems. So you need to remove these problems. How you can improve this type of problems while you speak English? You are facing this, you are facing the same problems, so you are on the right place. First, you need to do practice. Practice English is the game of practice. If you are doing the practice, then you are able to speak English after some times, because hard work is the key of success, but in right direction. But maximum people actually putting effort in wrong direction, and you are also making, maximum student making this type of mistakes. So don't focus on your mistake, because when you are in learning phase, you are free to making a mistake. So, but after some times when you are able to speak English in fluent speaker, how to do practice with yourself. First, think about in English. You need to change your thought process in English. If you are able to change your thought process in English, after some times you are able to speak English. So don't have any problem if you change your thought process. How is possible you can change your thought process in English? Just think the simple sentences, just thinks the simple activity, whatever you perform in whole day. So please focus on that particular things. First, you need to learn, if you are a beginner, the basic fundamentals. If you are a advanced level, so you need to do practice on the basis of concept, on the basis of show many things, so activities, whatever you perform in whole day. Focus. This is the summary of this video. First thing is that you need to know what is your level. Second thing is that after knowing your level, you have to do on that particular work on your level. If you are advanced level, you can't speak English but you understand everything, the videos and audios, so you need to do practice on speaking with your friends, with yourself, and so many platforms in the social media to do practice how to speak English. So thank you so much watching this video. See you the next video.